back with our end of day report. And as you know, we got a holiday weekend coming up, and it's a strange one because it's the Easter holiday, and we got Good Friday, which the markets will be closed, but we have big government reports coming out on Friday. Why they chose to bring the reports out with the market being closed is kind of shady, if you ask me. Then on top of that, Monday the markets will be open, but it's going to be probably very thin volume because of people traveling out of town, visiting family, and when Easter falls on a Monday like that, what do you expect, right? So interesting. So there will be no more videos until Tuesday. All right, I'll be back Tuesday. So tomorrow night is the last videos for the week. All right, so let's jump right into it. So this first one here is silver. And as you can see, we've now entered officially the neutralization zone. All right. And the market has already hit the $25 target. So we'll be looking for the market to possibly move sideways and flatline itself for a few days. And then we'll find out what it wants to do after that. All right. So just be prepared for that. This is where you take profit. If you were long and you took the signals from the system back here, you definitely come out of the market now and go into cash and then wait for the next signal in silver. Next up is nat gas. And as you can see, it's still not doing anything. The neutralization process just came off today, though, and now you have a bullish trend momentum reading with a rally alert. So possible nat gas will try to stage a rally for next week. Next up is the Dow. The Dow is still in a bullish position as far as long-term trend, but you still have a bearish trend momentum reading, and you had a crash alert coming into today, and now you have another crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. All right, which signals a top. The last signal that we got like this was back here the week of December the 14th, and the market did fall down after that. Okay, so just FYI, you got a crash alert in the Dow. And the NASDAQ 100, all right, you're in a bullish position, but you got a red trend momentum reading with a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. All right, looking for this market to come down and test the 1250 support. And if that doesn't hold, well, then you're going to go to the 12,000 bottom of the Kumo cloud. And if that fails, then the next support is way down here below 11,000. So very interesting turn of events. Next up, we have gold futures hit a new 52-week high, and we just hit the neutralization process. So for the next couple of days, I'm expecting this one to move sideways and be flat. And then we'll see when the market comes off neutralization what it wants to do. Next up, you have the S&P 500, right? You're in a bullish configuration, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading with a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Next up, you got crude oil futures, crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, and the beginning of a bearish trend momentum reading. I think at minimum, the market's going to come down here and fill this gap. So just FYI on that. All right, next up, we have the Russell. So the Russell is still in a bear market configuration. All right. And since you're in a bear market environment, when you see a bullish trend momentum reading, it's usually a buy the dips, buy the pullbacks. So we'll see what happens here, but it looks like it is a possibility that the overhead resistance could have proven a little much for the Russell, and that a Russell is probably going to be taken back by the bear market. So we'll see. We'll see where the current supports hold. That 1750 level needs to hold. If it doesn't, the next support is at 1700. And then the next support after that is down here below 1650. So interesting turn of events here as well. Looking at the dollar index, so you're in a bear market configuration with a bullish trend momentum reading, and the market is just moving sideways here. You know, you had a rally alert coming into today, but you got nothing. But you do have a rally alert for tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Still have a bullish trend momentum reading, so buy the dips programs are still turned on. Next up is the Ethereum futures, and you'll notice we're in a bullish configuration with a bullish trend momentum reading. So this one is in rally mode. All right, Ethereum is in rally mode. Next up is the Bitcoin futures. You're now in a bullish configuration, but you got a bearish trend momentum reading, and you're coming off of two back-to-back sell signals, but you've gotten no downside production yet. So I'm calling this one flat to sideways, but it does have a bearish bias because of the red trend momentum indicator. So we're looking at a sell the rallies if anything happens. All right. So just FYI on that one. All right, folks, there you have it. So like I said in the beginning of the video, we got holiday period coming upon us. Good Friday, the markets will be closed. Monday will probably be very light trading volume as people are traveling to see family, and Easter falls on Monday, so very weird. Such being that the government's going to release government reports on Friday, knowing that the markets are closed, so very suspicious there. So we'll see what happens. All right, so tomorrow will be the last videos for the week, and I'll see you guys back on Tuesday. All right, so with that being said, let's see what happens tomorrow, man. Smash that like button, and the reports are out, so refresh your browser and have at it. Peace out.